Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily return Savana products in 2025. Now, in order to do it, you need to just come at savana.com. So you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to search for savana.com. Now, once you are on this page, you just have to simply log in into your account. Then you need to go to your orders section and you need to select that particular order which you want to return. Now, after selecting that product, you will see the return option there. Now, you need to remember that returns are accepted here within 15 days from the date that you have received the product. So if the 15 days are passed, you will not be able to see that return option. So you need to make sure that you are returning the product within this time period. The next thing that you need to keep in mind is that your item must be unused and in original condition. You will be able to eligible for the return if you get the defective product, damaged product, or incorrectly delivered product. So you need to just select the product, select the return option, select the reason of return, and you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to return the product and get the refund in your original payment method or in the form of Savana coins. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.